You can't box her in, she's too divine. That woman's magic will mess with your mind. That woman's magic. Ooh, yeah. Got the kind of love that'll heal your pain.
Hey, beautiful babes. Welcome in or welcome back to Sweet Angel TV. My name is Sweet Angel. Woo! It's been a very fun day. And I just wanted to continue with the vibes on this video today. So this video is going to be all about confidence, y'all. It's going to be about style. It's going to be about good vibes as well, because that's what we want to deliver over here. Yes, indeed. And I'm feeling great because today I'm wearing a watch that I had not seen in eons. But because today we're talking about street styles, y'all, I pulled out a purse that I had not seen in eons. And inside of that purse was my Betty Boop watch. So I'm feeling good. I'm feeling excited, ecstatic. I am just overjoyed. It is Slayvember. Babies, did y'all hear me? It's Slayvember. Yes, it is. And because it's Slayvember, today we want to step out in our street style, okay? Kind of like these hater blockers right here. Street style. I am loving that terminology because, you know, I never thought about street style. My youngest daughter, she used to laugh at me all the time because I had what she called my go-to clothes. I had my go-to clothes, and I'm like that now. But now, hey, they call it street style because it's runway style, and it's what you wear in the streets. You know, these particular outfits that people are wearing, some people do it so well, and it's so interesting that those styles actually do convert over to the runway eventually, once they're seen and, you know, taken notice to. Because, you know, nowadays it's so easy to peep those styles because, you know, social media is in everybody's eyes. I love that. I love it. I love it. But since it's Slayvember, and I'm talking to my gals out there, you know, that's my age, or most of y'all are probably younger. Who knows? Today we're going to step out in our street styles. I'm going to show you a couple of fits that I've been throwing. I've been throwing some fits, y'all. I've been throwing some fits, and I want to show y'all some street style get-ups that, you know, I put together myself that, you know, are just naturally in my closet or my wardrobe appeal. So with that being said, a lot of times when you become a big old age, you know, we tend not to just amp it up and give it our all and give it our own little twist to things. But that's what street style is. That's what it is. It screams bold sometimes. It screams confident, yeah, and totally unstoppable. And that's what I want to be in my big age. Totally unstoppable. Because you know what? Being over 60 doesn't mean that I have to tone it down. And I don't think you have to tone it down unless you want to, okay? It really means, heck, it's time for us to celebrate and turn it up. Okay, let's turn it up. Turn me up. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So listen, gals, please grab your coffee, grab your shades, grab your sass, whatever you want to grab. And let's hit these streets looking fabulous and fearless and oh so fly. I love that. I call her Lady G, but she used to always say that, and I used to love that so much. But baby, let's get to it because street style, here we come. It's all about world fashion with personality. When you put your personality into what you're rocking and being creative, you know, just confident looks that blend comfort, it blends trend, it blends your own individuality. It's what people wear on the streets, street styles. Okay, that's it. Who are you? Identify yourself. Street style is a form of fashion that comes from everyday people, not designers. It's expressive, it's bold, and it often mixes high-end pieces with affordable or vintage finds. Think of it as fashion meets attitude, casual, edgy, and effortlessly cool. Let me show you what I got today for you. So for look number one, we're starting off with this kind of a graphic tee, okay? Simple little t-shirt. I can't recall where this is from, but you can grab any kind of graphic t-shirt if you want to cop this look. So just chill, but loud at the same time. I wanted to keep it casual up top, but still make it scream personality. So I threw on not one, not two, but 3 gold chains. And I'm looking at this as y'all are looking at it, okay? Yeah, 3 gold chains. Because if we're going to shine, we're gonna shine bright, baby, okay? For real, for real. And y'all, look here. I already know I had to throw in some bangles, so I put those on as well. And just, to give the wrist a little bling bling moment. It's that mix of classy and sassy that just feels right. But y'all, get into this faux leather skirt. Honey, okay. Amazon, okay. Amazon, yes, Amazon is the place for me. Y'all already know the vibe, so don't play. It's that perfect brownish orange color that's giving all the fall vibes, but still keeping it hot. The way this skirt just slays, hey, it's an A-line and that little flare at the bottom, baby, it's giving main character energy. Yeah, you can walk in any room and you're the one everybody's going to be looking at. No question, all right? So now, let's do this. Let's give it a little balance. Okay, I did that with the brown ankle boots. Also from Amazon. Y'all know, shout out to Prime, because she be delivering style on time. I'm trying to tell you, they got just enough heel to give that confident strut without doing too much. Cute, comfy, just classy, okay? Now, baby, I couldn't stop there. I topped it all off with this crop distressed denim jacket. And let me tell you something. Y'all, I want to say I got this from Rainbow a long time ago. The way that little denim hits against the leather skirt, honey, woo, it just is street style meets luxury, okay? It adds all that little edgy touch that says, yeah, I'm sweet, but I bite too. I love it. Then we're finishing the look with this brown mini purse, perfectly matching the fit. She's small, she's chic, she's doing her job. And of course, I had to slide on some sunnies from Amazon. I love my sunnies, y'all, I do. Because baby, if the sun's not out, I'm still gonna be. Yes, I am. And all the links are down in the description box for all of these items if I can find them. So you already know what to do. Check them out. Get your look right. And let's keep slaying. Okay, let's keep slaying. Period. If I can't find a link, I'll try to find something similar to it. Okay. But you already know if you can go to Amazon, you'll be able to find just about anything, right? Okay. Now let's get into look number 2. All right. Okay, hold up. Let's get into this look. This one right here, she's edgy, she's bold, she's that girl. I said what I said, y'all. Y'all saw all the little things I'm getting ready to put on. Boom, here we go. I started off with this army green sweater from Withgo, y'all. They gifted this to me, and baby, when I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, we're about to style this up real proper. And immediately my mind said, camo cargo pants. I wanted to do that. So that's what I did. And both pieces, yep, both pieces, straight from Amazon. So y'all already know it's affordable, it's fly. Okay. Now let me tell you what's underneath. Gotta tell you this, okay? I got on this black lace bralette from Savage X Fenty. We keeping it sexy but classy, okay? And I cinched the waist with this cute little brown belt from Amazon. Cause you know, we're not letting nothing look basic around here. Nah, we add in shape, we add in style, we add in slay. Period. Okay. Now, baby, this statement jewelry, this necklace, what I got on right now, still got it on. She's making some noise, literally, but I love it. This necklace and matching earrings, the brown earrings, the brown tones. Y'all, I thought about it. I said, this just pops against that camo. I just like, pow, like that. The textures are giving rich auntie, earth goddess, okay? And bad chick all at once. That's what I want to be. Like, excuse me, who said camo couldn't be chic? I say it can be, okay? Now we got to talk about the Betty Boop hobo bag. Y'all, this was a gift from my husband eons ago, over a decade ago. And I wore it out when I first got it, but then it just went to sleep. And now she's back. She's cute, she's sassy, and she's saying, yeah. Just like me when I'm feeling myself, like, yeah. It's that little splash of fun that ties this whole fit together, honestly. I told you I'm throwing fits. Boom. Then let's move up top. I got on this black Newsboy hat, okay? A little throwback vibe, but it makes it fashion. I'm obsessed, y'all. And when I tell you my aviator sunnies, those, I love them. From Amazon, they're blocking the haters left and right. Okay, left and right. Believe that. Don't play. Now let's slide down to the feet. I'm rocking these ankle strap platform shoes, also from Amazon. I should have said this is an Amazon video, shouldn't I? But listen, they got me feeling 10 feet tall, literally. I got my wooden bracelets on, these right here. Love them so much. I do. And of course, my Betty Boop watch. Got the Betty Boop watch. Cause your girl loves her details. I love my details. And again, if I got a link to it, it's gonna be down in the description. Y'all already know that your girl is gonna drop some links. Yes. And they're gonna be affiliate links. Yes. And I ain't scared to say it. There you go. So babes, what do you think about it? Where is your taste buds at? What do you rock? What do you like to rock? I want to know in the comments. Let me know. Hey, I wish I could drop pictures down there. That would be so freaking awesome, y'all. It would. I would love to see y'all in your street style clothes. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, winding it up for now, but I will see y'all in the next one. You know I will, right? Ah, yeah, we will be there together, you and me. I'm out.
Play it, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Let that spirit move. That's the sound of a strong woman.